how to make your Roblox audio ID public. Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your audio public in Roblox. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and go to create.roblox.com. Then sign into your account. From there, click on the Creations tab, which is present at the left side on the screen. Under Development Items, click on Audio. Now, you'll want to upload your audio file. Click the Upload button, choose your audio file, give it a name, and add a description if you'd like. I've already uploaded mine, so I'll skip that step for now. After your audio is uploaded, it will appear in your list. Click on the audio you want to make public. On the Audios page, look for the button labeled Distribute on Creator Store. That's the option you need to make your audio public. Now, here's something important. If this option is available for you, you'll need to apply for distribution. Once you're approved and everything is set, you can go ahead and enable it. And that's it. Your audio will now be publicly available for others to use on Roblox. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.